Hello, and welcome back to EnglishAudio, the place to improve your English. Just by listening, we read clear and slow English to help beginners. I want to ask you a question about your heart. Do you feel tired today? Maybe you feel like you are walking up a very high mountain. You look up at the top. It looks so far away. Your legs are heavy. You have been walking for a long time. But the view does not change. You think, am I moving at all? Maybe I am not strong enough. Maybe I should turn back. This feeling is very common. We all feel it. When we learn a language, when we chase a dream, we want the result now. We want the victory to happen fast. And when it is slow, we think we are failing. But I want to share a secret with you. A secret from history. It comes from a man named Napoleon Bonaparte. He was a man who knew about winning. He fought many battles. And he gave us this powerful truth. Victory belongs to the most persevering. Let's listen to that again. Victory belongs to the most persevering. He did not say, victory belongs to the fastest. He did not say, victory belongs to the smartest. He said the most persevering. Persevering means not stopping. It means continuing when it is hard. It means staying in the fight. This quote changes how we see success. It tells us that winning is not a race. Winning is a test of endurance. Let me paint a picture for you. I want you to imagine a forest. It is quiet and green. In the middle of the forest, there is a giant rock. This rock is gray and hard. It has sat there for 1,000 years. It looks unbreakable. It looks like a king. Next to the rock, there is a small stream, a tiny river of water. The water is soft. You can put your hand in it. It has no muscles. It has no weapons. If you look at them, you think, the rock is stronger. The rock will win. But the water has a secret power. It has the power of persevering. The water flows over the rock. Every second, every minute, every day. It never stops to sleep. It never stops to eat. It just flows. Day after day, year after year. The rock stays hard. I am strong, it says. But the water keeps touching it. Softly, gently, slowly something changes. A small crack appears in the rock. Then the crack gets deeper. The water does not hurry. It does not get angry. It just keeps going. After many years, the soft water cuts the hard rock in half. The water wins. It wins not because it is strong. It wins because it is consistent. You, my friend, are the water. And your goal is the rock. Maybe your rock is learning English. It feels hard. It feels impossible. You try to learn a word, and you forget it. You try to speak, and you make a mistake. You feel like you are hitting a wall. But remember the river. You don't need to break the rock in one day. You don't need to be a genius. You just need to flow. Flowing means showing up. It means doing a little bit today and a little bit tomorrow. When you listen to this audio, you are flowing over the rock. When you read one page, you are flowing over the rock. It feels like nothing is happening. You look at the rock and it looks the same. But deep down, the change is happening. You are making a mark. Why do we stop? Why do we quit being the river? Usually, it is because we compare. We look at other people. We see a flood, a tsunami, someone who learns very fast. And we feel small. I am just a little stream, we say. But a tsunami goes away quickly. It crashes and then it is gone. The stream stays. The stream is there in the winter. It is there in the summer. Napoleon said victory belongs to the most persevering. Not the biggest, not the loudest, the one who stays the longest. I want to tell you about the middle. Every journey has 3 parts. The beginning, the middle, the end. The beginning is exciting. I will learn English. The end is happy. I am fluent. But the middle is hard. The middle is long. The middle is boring. Most people quit in the middle. They stop persevering. They see the rock is still there, and they go home. But victory is hiding in the middle. Victory is just one more day of not quitting. Imagine you are digging for gold. You dig for 5 years. You are tired. You see only dirt. So you stop. You walk away. But the gold was only 1 inch away. Just one more scoop of dirt. Perseverance means digging that last scoop, even when you cannot see the gold. It is having faith in the process. So how do we keep going? How do we stay like the river? We must change our definition of success. Don't define success as the end. Don't say, I am successful only when I finish. Define success as the flow. Say, I am successful because I showed up today. I am successful because I didn't quit. When you wake up tomorrow morning, you might feel the heaviness again. The rock will still be there. But I want you to smile. I want you to be the water. Be soft. Be gentle with yourself. But be unstoppable. Do one small thing. Listen to one song. Read one sentence. Write one word. That is a victory. And the next day, do it again. And again. Soon, the rock will change shape. Soon, you will carve a path through the mountain. You are creating a canyon, a beautiful path for your future self. Napoleon was right. Victory does not belong to the lucky. It belongs to you. Because you are the one who stays. You are the most persevering. Keep flowing, my friends. Thank you for listening to English Audio today. We hope this message helps you on your journey. Like and subscribe to our channel for more lessons. See you next time.